Hey everyone, my name is Thomas. Welcome to my channel. This is the Burning Gundam / God Gundam Full Suit Build Series 15.5. What I'm going to do today is I'm going to add an additional layer of white paint on there just to give it a fresh look. Because some of the parts, they just don't look that great. So with a fresh coat of paint on there, it'll look a lot nicer. And then also what I'm going to do is once the paint dries, I'm going to add the black detail lines to give it more definition. So let's get painting. Alright, I've done all the detail lines. As you can see here on the shoulder part, I did the detail line around there just to give it a little bit more definition so you can see the depth of it. And here is the side skirt piece. It's not the best. It's a lot better than if I was trying to spray. So that is it for right now. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And also don't forget to hit the thumbs up to let me know that you liked the video. Thank you for watching.